Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to see Epic Games Library in Android. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. The Epic Games Store does not have a dedicated mobile app that allows you to view your library or play games directly on Android devices. However, you can access your Epic Games library alternatively and manage your account through a mobile web browser. And here's how you can do it. Step 1. Launch the web browser on your Android device. Step 2. Enter the official Epic Games website and the address bar. Step 3. Tap on the three lines, then tap on the account icon or navigate to the login section. Log in using the same credentials you use on the Epic Games Store. Step 4. After logging in, choose to tap on the three lines at the top right, then tap the account icon, and from there, go to your account settings and choose transactions. While at the direct library section, this serves as an alternative method to review your game purchases, providing a list of similar to your library. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.